Hey, what's happening, Sneakerheads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go on and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So in this video, we got the updates and recaps. Starting off with the updates. I know this is not a Jordan brand, but New Balance is popular right now. So Action Bronson, he is doing a collaboration again. The New Balance with the 1906R. He will have two new colorways dropping: Rosewater and Medusa Azul. So basically, these are two new colorways, and I am kind of digging these blue pair. Predominantly, the shoe features predominantly bluish shoe, and then Action Bronson collaboration. The other shoe will come out in a white and pink pair with the orange midsole. Both of these are clean silhouettes and clean collaborations. However, I do not have any New Balances in my collection as of this time, but I am looking to try these. One of the main silhouettes that I like the most is the 2002R. I still haven't pulled the trigger on that. I am a big Nike fan, and Jordan fan, so it is kind of hard for me to swap over to new brands, just to be honest with you. But this may be a shoe that I may want to try in the future, especially this blue pair. I'm really digging these with that blue, black, and brown throughout. Just a very clean shoe. Let us know down in the comments, Sneakerheads. Are you rocking New Balances or are you dropping New Balances? If you do have any, let us know which models are you rocking in your collection. So moving on to the Jordan recaps. These are the shoes that came out from 16 to 22 June. Starting off on June 20th, we did have a collaboration with Nina Chanel Jordan 3. This was a special edition shoe. It did come out at a price point of $225. And of course, this shoe did sell out. It was shoe was very limited and hard to get. Let us know down in the comments. We're able to cop you a pair, but all sizes did sell out. So good job on that. What we got next, my brother?
So on June the 22nd, did have the Air Jordan 11 low. This was a women's pair. That legend pink price point for those were not 190. According to Nike.com, all sizes still did sell out. All sizes did sell out. So nice work there, Jordan brand. Nice work there. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you were able to snatch up either one of those. What's next?
So on the same day, June 22nd, we did have a Jordan 1 high. This was a metallic burgundy. This was considered at a price point of $200. It does feature that 95 cut, original to the OGs, and this shoe did sell out. All sizes sold out. So this was a very good week for Jordan brand overall. All shoes that came out that week did sell out. So despite Jordans have been sitting lately, they had a good week. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and you guys continue to love content like this. Hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.